clamp it down. This one actually has enough of a lip right here for some spreaders, something to use as a spreader like this. The other one didn't, so I actually used another clamp to clamp the bottom of the spreaders on so that it wouldn't slip off, if that makes any sense. So this is just a matter of getting it up over this, and then as you spread it out a little bit and get it up over the lip, you can then move these as you go. So once you move it, you kind of lock your place, and you see that's stretched up a certain amount. And then you kind of move this again, just to kind of keep it from slipping off of there. Now we're most of the way on.